Why settle for flat, washed out photos like these when you could produce lively, detailed photos like these? Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this with HDR, which stands for High Dynamic Range. To produce a great HDR photo, choose an interesting location with lots of different textures and colors. I chose the city of Providence as my subject. I'll be combining 3 photos taken at high, medium, and low exposure. In order to do this, I adjust my shutter speed for each shot. Also, as a general tip, make sure you're getting the shots you want. Experiment with different viewpoints and locations. Now that I've finished taking the photos, let's move on and combine them into one HDR photo. These are the 3 photos I'll be combining. And for this, I'll be using the free program HDR Efex Pro. Now, upon launching the program, I'm going to load the photos into the software. Make sure they are JPEGs. You'll be brought to the starting screen, and if the settings are to your liking, hit Create HDR. And now you'll see your photos combined into an HDR photo. You could adjust how the photo looks in terms of color, detail, and lighting. I'll cycle through some of the presets to show you. But for now, I think I'm just going to settle for preset Deep 2, and I'll tweak its settings. Now we can cycle through the different editing options. I'll show you the extremes of most of these options so you can see just how it affects the photo, and then I'll adjust it to the best fit. And then when we're done, we can save. As a note to Mac users, use File, Save As so you can control the file type, output, and save location. Now see all this white around the buildings? That's called haloing. We want to fix that. Take the photo into Photoshop or another similar program. In Photoshop, we're going to use the clone stamp tool to lessen the haloing. You can use Option Click to select an area to sample and paint over the halo with. You might have to redo things a few times, but don't get discouraged. Now we have the final HDR image. Look at the comparison between a single unedited shot and the HDR photo. A lot more detail and color is present in the HDR photo. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial, and I hope you create some breathtaking photos of your own.